What's going on everyone, welcome back. Hope everyone's well. Just about to upgrade my diorama. Gonna add a little chain fence onto the top of this here. Got a little bit of mesh here which I'm going to open up and use. Got some wooden dowels which I'm going to use for the metal poles. And I'm just going to spray it all up. All I'm going to do is get a screw, just stick it in here and just keep twisting a little bit till it goes down. Turn that round and that'll be deep enough for the hole to hold the stick into it. Stick another one here and then one in the middle. Then one more and it's done. Just have to make it about that should be. I'll see if these sticks fit in it now. Got the poles in now, just need to cut them to size. Cut this up, get it zip tied to it and then I'll spray. And all you need to do now is just take these pillows out of there and put the new cases on. And there we have it. 2 brand new pillowcases for Father's Day. Spider-Man. I think this one's Wolverine. Yeah, Wolverine, Spider-Man and the Hulk. So not bad, goes with the couch. So there it is. Let's use the camera 1 second. There we go, just need to push that down a little bit more like that. I just need to go and spray that silver. Here it is anyway. Got the brick wall done. That's an old piece and then I'll just put that fence on. Just put it in, but obviously the fence sticks out a little bit more than the glass. All I'm going to do is just stick a little bit of blue tack just on there just to pin it down. So I'll get that in there. Oy. And have that like that. And then get the camera to stay off. That's it in there now. Just a little bit more depth and a little bit more character and detail to it. All you need to do now is get the rest of these figures that were in there and stick them back in. In fact, I've just clicked on, I've got a Revoltech Deadpool and a Revoltech Wolverine to review. So I'm going to review them in here in another video now. And then I'll upload that. So I'm just going to upload this video now and get another 2 done now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'll see you in the next video.